I have to make this video for you guys to see something very strange. You will see I have the first one. We know the first one. It runs fine. But up to here, I already changed it a few times because something happened. And this time I decided I will show you guys what happened. That is that one. The next one look like this. Also nice, and you see something is wrong there. It don't want to work anymore. The manifest file of the FF font or the F font file, that one, there's a mistake. There's a problem. So I had to take out the font form and the module. Otherwise it don't want to work. But let's say I delete this. Will it work afterwards? Yes, it will be deleted permanently. Let's see. It will go down, go away very soon. Very soon. Does it go away? Let's go in there. There's nothing there. You want to run it? It's supposed to run. Yes, it's running nicely. There it is. And also the secondary. And the secondary with this, the first group that you can set very nicely. But I had to rebuild it. Every time I had to rebuild my program. So this is this one. Let's go out. You don't even want to save. You don't ask you to save. This was the third one. Became better. As you can see, suddenly it didn't have a problem before the time, but suddenly this font modules and forms have a problem. Now you have to delete this. If I delete this, some parts of my program don't work. So let's see, there was 19 errors. If you leave it for a time, or you move over to here, you will see the 19 errors. I don't think it will go away. But let's see, will it run? No. We have to wait. Now there's 18 errors. Okay. While it's counting the 18 errors, let's continue to the next one. It don't want to work. It don't ask you to save, although you deleted 3 files. Then I have this one, the KM3, Katot Melankas tree. I had to rebuild this. I had to rebuild this completely. Well, not the face. All what I done was I drawn in this. So with other words, what I done is I create a new folder. Actually it didn't. I say create a new program, and when it's here, create a new one, and we go to, okay, this is studio. Okay, let's say we will do it here, and we will say new old X, just to be funny. Okay. And then it starts building and creating, and when it comes here, you delete this file. Yes, bye. And then you add existing, and you decide you will go in, no, not over there, there's nothing there. We go to the help, we did our last one, ivwriter, and ivwriter, and you say VB1, VB2. That one we're going to leave for now. add them. If one is not a member of, you see it there, 1020 errors. 1020 errors. Can you believe this? You cannot do it. Why can't you do this? What's wrong with this program? What's wrong with this program? And the errors? Yes, form 1 blah 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 cannot be used as. That's that one. Okay. And it will give you the error. App config. So you will have that problem. New old X. So you have to create a new program. Or maybe not. Let's say I add something existing form, but not that one. Let's say we go only that form. How many errors will it show you? And there it goes, 11 errors. Let's go. But that, sorry, that is normal errors. That is normal errors. No problem there. So now you add the second one. The moment you add it, immediately you have a problem. So let's go for that one. And that is where all the messages are. No. 11 errors. 15 errors. Don't worry. Now you create, add a module, and you must make it a new module, and don't name your module the same as your program. So now in this module, it's the same, exactly the same as the other one. You say okay, public that, go down here, copy this, go into your new one and paste this here. There you have it. Now let us see, function my mess, 1 error. End function. Yes, because I didn't say end if. No, is end function. Gone. All the errors are gone. So now you have that one. So if you run this, you will get the program complete. Just to show you, that is how you repair a program that have an error. The easiest way. So where's my old one? It's right there. You can go and look. Ready to catch the memory. Nice. That is how it look. First run, so go back, go in, and that's how it look, but there's no errors. Oh, 18 errors. You can use it in this expression. This reference is supposed to be in. Okay, so we can create this one. And isn't this one here? There's the module. There's the module. But suddenly it doesn't work. And it's exactly the same module than in this one, which you just copied. Okay, just say we didn't make it that one. You see, I didn't even. Okay, we copy that one, end function this time, and we put it into the old one, and we say okay. Will it work? No, it don't work. And there's a form 2. There's no form 2. There's no form 2, man. That's bad. So let's go and add the form 2. What happened to the form 2? Something happened with it. It's writer, because there is the form. Here's the form. Why did the program... You see? There's the form 2. And it's empty. And it's empty. It's supposed to be empty. I don't know. Let's go and look. Game tree. Form 2. That is form 2. So that's why I say something is terribly wrong with this program. Terribly wrong with this program. And that is why I had to rebuild it again. It cleaned things on its own. I started this morning, actually last night late, and voila, everything is gone. Everything is gone. There's form 2. Add it. Already access. Do you want to price it? Yes. Man, yes. What will happen? Let's see. Nothing. Nothing is happening. Let's see how form 2 looks like. There it is. Inside, there it is. Everything is there, but form 2 has a problem. No matter what you try to do, the language will not accept it anymore. The moment there's a problem, you have a problem. You have to rebuild the complete program. At least the structure. So there we have it. Maybe a quick look inside. We can do that for you. So you can see a lot has changed. This is because this screen comes up the moment it's the first time you run it. Let me quickly show you this. We're going into that guy, and it will show you that game tree. That is where we are now. That one we go out, that one, that one, that one, and that one is out. So this is the few files you have. Nothing inside. I will keep that one for you. So when you run it, this side or the other side doesn't matter. You can run it from here. It will open up this guy. But you have to know what to do with this, because there are no groups, there are nothing. So what I'm busy with is to write an introduction, because it's the first time you run this. Blah 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 blah. That's the wrong one. Open that one. That's the wrong one. Is it that one? It's so few times that I run this. Okay. I don't even know where it is. It's supposed to be over here. Notebooks. So this is what I'm doing. First time you run this program and blah blah blah, you have to put in if you want to use the tree view. If not, well, you don't have to. So in this case, I will have to copy this because this is my group folders. I have to copy this. Oopsie, and I'm going inside here and I place it over here. So there it is now. So you have to restart again and you will see there's nothing because I already run it before. So let's go and test it again. And you run it. Blah 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 blah. And immediately it came up with this at 0.0 left and X and Y because it wasn't run before. And now you have all this. If you perhaps open now this, you will see the help icon is there because that is the default icon and is also in the main folder. So I add all those. You will see there's nothing strange happening over there, but the moment you change your screen it will change it. You can see the layout changes a lot. Many things changes. There's a menu. When empty, cache memory. You can even write here. This one is now as default. On node click, it will start working. So the moment you type in hello and you click on root, it won't do anything unless you do this because root was already clicked. But now just say hello number 2 and you click on hello, it will immediately go. So if you want to add something, let's say we want to main, add, this is the main one, yes. My changes is wrong. I have to change this very quickly, and that's bad. As I said, I had to rebuild everything. You see, there we go. Anyway guys, that is just to show you what will happen if you, okay, there's no reasons there, but the moment you open this guy, let me just show you, there's something wrong in the way they did the program. Okay, except for this, where I have to change the font. The stream reader. I don't know what's the maximum of the stream reader. For instance, if I say the stream reader my programs became very large. Now this is stream reader and it read everything, read to end. So if the file is very large, will it handle the size or not? So what I done, and you won't see it here because, okay, there it is. This is the current method. But this method here will be more ideal the larger your program or your document, your tree file gets. It will work a lot better than, because it read line for line like in a normal a file open situation. Here it read to end everything, and then you have to split each file, and that's also a problem, because here you can see I try playing with this. The trim didn't really work 100%, because sometimes there's a line feed and a control line feed in front. Is actually the same thing. I don't know why the program do it, but some of the files have spaces in between. And then I came to this, because when you look at trim start in the help file, it will tell you that you have to use something after this line that you will read in. And that is why it's working like this. So yes, there's certain things we have to need to look at in the future, and that is why I play with this. And this is not even, I won't lie to you, but this is not even a hundredth of the file I already building or already built previously. It's already on the internet, because this is where this tree must go to when I'm finished with the program, to the internet. You will think, but just look like names and stuff, but that is actually the names, real names from the Bible, and when they begat, this one begat that one, and that one begat that one. This is just, let's say, closer to Afrikaans direct translations, although the names have the real or the same translation, or of the old Israelites or the Egyptians or whoever it was. So we will have to see when I grow this, and I will have to make it like this, and then I can even grow it further until that stage. So you can see where, that's why I built it like this, so that it can be changed. Very good, very good, very good. I had to rebuild my program, but I'm happy, because now it's working fine. See you in a later video.